Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, take a good close look at this. This is one of the most gorgeous dirt bikes I've seen, and it's from the Chip Watkins collection. If it looks familiar, we just rolled it off the truck about a month ago, and finally got around to going through it, putting all new fluids and fuel in it and firing it up. It was set up for a private museum display. I have a massive stack of probably 1.5 inches thick of all the paperwork and documents and receipts and the original purchase receipt and everything from when Chip bought the bike that goes along with it. But most of it's painfully obvious what has been done. I mean, starting with this gorgeous brand new wheel set, which he paid $1,000 for these Takasaga XL rims, spokes, and the hubs being redone with brand new tires on there. Clean Racing rebuilt the suspension for a 160-pound rider. It's got new fork lowers. The front brake system was rebuilt and repainted. Everything on the bike was repainted. Brand new front fender, brand new ATK graphics on the new front number plate. Beautiful set of Renthal bars with a red, white, and blue Pro Taper crossbar pad. Brand new set of grips. Brand new Magura levers. As you can see, hydraulic clutch. Of course, master cylinders rebuilt and works perfectly and has fresh fluid we just put in it. Brand new red breather hose. The fuel tank's been all restored with new graphics on it. Engine's been completely, every nut and bolt on it has been painted, polished, or replaced. Nice braided stainless brake line. Really unique brake system on the ATK. I'll talk about that in a minute. But if there's any question as to whether these Rotax 250s or 244s haul ass, here's a resounding yes. Yeah, they're definitely a very fast motorcycle. Really unique machine, made in America, made in the USA by ATK. Beautiful swing arm. Look at the attention to detail here on the hardware on here, and everything's just like brand new. New gold chain, new sprocket. Absolutely the nicest ATK I've ever seen. Let me roll it around the other side. Chip doesn't mess around when he does the frame off. He does everything right on it. Literally no expense spared. It's a beautiful piece. Let's get this side over in the sun here. There you go. You can see it has a brand new pipe guard. Beautiful coating on the exhaust. I'm not sure what he used, but it's a metallic silver high temp. I didn't ask him, but it's really, really nice. Exhaust is in mint shape. Silencer is mint. Of course, everything on the rear wheel is new, including the chain of sprockets and all the hardware, the bearings, frame. Show them the frame rails on this thing. Pristine frame rails. Beautiful piece. Now, I know what it costs to do a frame off like this, but just to give you a heads up, you're looking at a minimum of 60 hours labor, shop labor, to do one of these on the frame up. And if you're going to pay a shop rates, you're going to be looking at a $9,000 work order. This bike is going to have a reserve well under the price of what the labor it would cost to rebuild this thing. So if you think you want, or been thinking about getting an ATK and you want one that's perfect and done, well, your ship just came in. You see it has a new gut seat cover, new side number plate graphics, new rear fender. Just a beautiful piece. Foot pegs, all the hardware is new on here and perfect. The frame rail is not, you can see the bike hasn't been ridden off-road since it was restored, just up and down our driveway here, and it runs beautifully. Carb's been redone, all new fuel lines and fuel drain lines, new air filter. The brake system's been redone, front and rear. The hydraulic clutch system's been redone, all new fluids, new gear lube. We run a VP oil in it. There's really not much else to say about it. It's a beautiful classic ATK, and I haven't seen one this nice come up for sale. Well, we've never sold one this nice. We sold a couple, but nothing like this that were totally redone. Really unique brake system and chain system on this. The ATK had little to no chain slap because the countershaft sprocket was really close to the swing arm pivot, and the rear brake is also located there with the rotor and caliper right there, as you can see. The rear brake mounted on the counter shaft slowed the engine RPM down, so there was no rear wheel chatter with the chain. That was just a really cool piece. I don't know of anybody else who's ever used one like that. It slows the engine RPM down hydraulically versus the chain being locked up in the rear and causing that chain chatter. So also took the pressure off the rear suspension. Just in theory, it is a better system. Why no one else has done it, I don't know, but it's a pretty cool piece of moto history made right here in the USA. You can see the air box was redone and repainted also. Every nut and bolt on this bike has been addressed, and it just came through the shop here. We went through everything: the air filter, carburetor, fresh fuel, all new lubes, gave it a complete nut and bolt check over. Whatever it needed was done. So if you're looking for a pristine ATK at a fraction of what it would cost to buy one, a good clean one, actually he paid, I have the receipt for it, he paid $4,000 for this and then took it right down to the frame, spent $1,000 on the wheels, you know, thousands in parts and paint, and probably realistically probably 60 to 80 hours labor redoing it. So I can't give it away. It's here on consignment. It's not my bike. I'm selling it for a friend, and but I will vouch for it. This is a spectacular piece that anybody should be proud to own. Piece of American moto history. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.